Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ka kali jong ka atsan ha ka singit hodieng ka santri unai tung arajar arfuar kala plai ba e ka kali Big Daddy SUVs kala tip kerteng kum ka Scorpio N haringkat ka jing sakilang jong ka samla iba penhon if simli kabalong ka thaiba brio banjap e ka kerdan ka baar ha karensa ni ko Miss Tourism Queen Worldwide 2018 ringkat ka jing sakilang Jong Original Sales Manager ke Mahindra u Abhijit Roy Basu u Area Sales Manager u Arabinda Data u Area Corporate Sales Manager u Abdul Malik bat u Cluster Trainer Guwahati Area Officer u Amal Sharma lembar u Managing Director u Manish Agarwal bat ka Director ka Priya Agarwal ha ka jingelang bala plat ba ya kali berthamai ha showroom jong ka Atsan Mahindra Kemudian Mawïongrim Shillong la sakhi da kinong thiet kinong terei jong ka Mahindra kinong shakhot ngobha bat kinong mikmat jong ka company Mahindra hakini singi kinong penya jong ka Mahindra kilapun ku buram ru ya kinong shakhot ngobha kiblawan sakhi yakni ka jing pelat ba yakni kali ka jing le booking yakni kali kan sedang nadu kalai putri unai tung arhajar arfuar ter sheneng.
Proud moment for all of us. From the side of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, our dealer, fraternity, Manish ji, and ma'am is also there, and entire team member of this dealership. And also, I'm very glad to welcome our chief guest. So this is a very important moment for all of us. Why? Because this is a the model which we are launching it in this dealership today, this has a very rich legacy. Everybody knows about Scorpio. It's such a big brand, and it is now in the form of a new avatar, right? So we call it as a big daddy of SUV. So you have seen the craze of SUV everywhere nowadays. So every other product which is getting launched nowadays, it is only SUVs mostly. And this is called the Big Daddy. Why? Because it is the real authentic SUV. So when you see this product, you will really appreciate the kind of the styling, the technology, the kind of new gadgets and the interiors, and the core the Mahindra DNA of frame structure. It is on the frame structure.
And it is really a special event, and for you all, especially for myself. And yes, I myself am a Scorpio fan since in so many years. Since I got to know also that Mahindra has been serving since 1949, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I make a mistake. So yes, so as you all know, it is a big day for all of us. And we are here for the unveiling of the Big Daddy of SUV, which is a Scorpio N, and I can't wait to see what it has to offer. So yeah, so we are all excited, and especially myself. So yeah, that's all from my side. So thank you so much for having me again, and I wish you, especially the company, all the very best. And ma'am, thank you so much again, and I wish you and your team the very best, and everyone here.
SUV maker. So of course I must say that we have the very special 4x4 system on this vehicle, and that feature is called the terrain response system, which we actually marketed as 4Explore. So here, supposed to say I'm not very much expert in off-roading, but the vehicle is so intelligent. According to the surface, you need to just choose the surface option, and the vehicle will react, and it will automatically calibrate its capability according to your requirement, according to the surface. So that's why if you are unable to conquer any off-road situation, the vehicle is definitely capable enough. Apart from that, there are so many features, and looks wise, if you see, we are going to unveil the product. So you people can have a look at the thing. And the interior part, I must say, because the interior is really very royal and premium, as because it comes with a laterite seats that is also rich coffee.